to take over 5 million jobs by the end of 2025, and ordinary people are finding it harder and harder just to survive, let alone truly live. There is one question that I hear more than any other. Is there something I can do now to change the direction of my life? To leave behind your job, escape the rat race and stop being a slave to your boss. To see more of the world, check things off your bucket list and share incredible experience with the people you love. To clear your debts, experience financial security and unlock the Kardashian lifestyle you always wanted. To be a somebody to make your parents proud and to ensure you leave behind a long-lasting legacy without wasting years getting a degree that won't even secure you a job, without going into thousands of dollars in debt, and without burning through your savings, and even without any previous business experience, and even without creating your own products. The answer is yes. You can do something now to change your life forever and the lives of the people around you. You just have to follow in the footsteps of the history's high achievers. The people who go on to become all they want to become, do all that they want to do, and see all that they want to see. They are the winners, the legends and the champions that the history books remembers. But don't make the mistake of thinking that you have to be born a high achiever to live that kind of lifestyle. Because high achievers aren't born, they are made. Take John D. Rockefeller, for example, one of the most iconic high achievers in history, who did not start out wealthy, who did not come into this world with power, who did not come from greatness, but ended up becoming one of the richest and most successful men in history. Rockefeller made his fortune in the oil industry at the time when many people doubted oil could ever be profitable due to all of the waste involved with the refining process. In other words, the odds were completely against him. So just what was it that allowed him to become a high achiever and the world's first billionaire? Here's a hint. It was nothing to do with his education, upbringing or random change. John D. Rockefeller learned the 3 single most important components necessary to ensure a lifetime of wealth, freedom and status. Components that anyone can learn how to implement in their own lives. An unstoppable business, unbreakable desire, unshakable discipline. But what does all of that mean to you? If you reach at a point in your life where you're wishing you could have more time, more money, more status, whatever it is that you want, it's possible for you to have it. And I know that from experience. I'm Philip Johansson, and not so long ago I followed the High Achievers formula to escape life as a broke plumber with $20,000 of debt and go on to generate more than $25 million in less than 3 years. And that formula starts with an unstoppable business. And I even taught the High Achievers formula to thousands of other ordinary people just like you.
Thank you, Philip.
Thank you.
Thank you, Phil.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Phil. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Look, if you're on this page right now, I have a feeling you're done with all of the lame side hustles that only boost your income by a couple of $100 a month. And I'm also sure you're done with all of the gurus that make big promises and don't deliver on any of them. So here's the advice you have been waiting for. The only way to achieve time freedom and financial security without sacrificing your health is to create an online business. And the fastest and most successful online business model I know is selling high-ticket digital products. But don't freak out about the word selling, because it turns out that with my proven business model, you don't need to have any sales skills at all. Because all you do is direct people to digital products they already want to buy. You connect people to digital products, then you get paid a commission. And that can be done without having to bug friends and family, cold call people you don't even know, knock on doors, or go to 800 events to network, or even contacting random people on social media. Keep on listening and I will explain how. So why digital products? Well, you can certainly follow this business model for physical products, but you have to accept what it comes with. For example, low commissions, as little as 1 to 5% commission, inventory headaches, dealing with price wars, customer service, supplier problems. With digital products, you don't have to worry about any of it. You don't need to create any products yourself. You don't need to have any inventory. You don't need to have any sales experience. You don't need to understand technical algorithms and jargon. And then you don't need to worry about customer support. And in many cases, you can earn commissions